Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Cooking. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. In today's episode, we are going to fix a very quick and easy but highly nutritious til and cucumber raita. Now, raita is a yogurt or curd based dressing which can be used to cool your body mostly in summer, but it could be used throughout the year as an accompaniment to be had during your daytime meal. Please do not have dairy products post sunset because Ayurveda recommends this is not good for your body. Now coming to the benefits of dil, which is also called as soa in Hindi or sua bhaji in Marathi. Dil is a great detoxifier of your liver and hence is used in treating conditions like gout or arthritis. It is an excellent source of calcium which not only strengthens your bone but also maintains the density of your bones. Dil is excellent to solve a lot of digestive problems. It helps you to fall asleep better. Dil also helps to prevent diabetes. In addition to the great qualities that dill has, cucumber is already universally known to detoxify your liver, which shares the same quality as the dill. Cucumber is a great hydrator for your body and it cools your body inside out. Cucumber is supposed to be great for your skin, for your hair and nails. Cucumber also solves a lot of digestive problems. And when all these benefits are clubbed together with the benefits which curd has to offer, you get a very power-packed meal, although it's a very quick fix, but it could be had just with your bread. Just in case if you do not have the time to cook any other meal, this is an excellent meal in itself. So you will love the taste too because this is loaded with a lot of flavors. I hope you'll enjoy this dish. Please try it. And so without any further ado, let's get cooking. For this we need 2 medium-sized cucumbers, 2 cups curd made from full cream milk, 1 cup of dill leaves. You can save the stalks to be added to soups or to dal, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, white salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin powder and 2 green chilies. Cut the end of the cucumber after peeling it and rub it in order to extract any bitter juices from the cucumber. Now cut it lengthwise into 4 equal parts and cube them into dices like so. Chop dill leaves very finely. You may use the stalks to be added to soups or to dal. Slit, de-seed and finely chop green chilies. Whisk the curd made from full cream milk to make it smooth. Add all the chopped vegetables. Add black and white salt to taste and also the roasted cumin powder. I am adding only half the quantity and the remaining half I shall be using as a garnish. Cumin also comes with great benefits of digestion and weight loss. Mix together all the ingredients thoroughly. Garnish this with roasted cumin powder and serve it chilled. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now and kindly hit the like button if you like this video.